Here we go. After the trifecta, somebody's going to ask me, which one is your favorite? Umbertos in Hyde Park, King Umbertos, or DaAngelo's? And I'm going to have to say,
before I give you my decision, let's check out DaAngelo's slices first.
It came in at the right time.
I found it interesting that he didn't cut through the whole pie. Looks so good.
Thank you very much. All right, I'm really excited for this one. Can't wait. Let's see what we got in here. Obviously, it says home of the grandma pizza. Can be disputed very much, right? Obviously, I think the owner of DaAngelo, Angelo Giangrande, did help part make the success of the grandma pizza. So anyway, like last time, I've gotten the grandma, the Sicilian, and the Margherita. And that Margherita looks really good. Look at that fresh mozzarella. It's really piled on, right? The basil's on top. Over here, we got the Sicilian. See some red chili flakes mixed around with the mozzarella. All the sauces here look really, really good. Lots of sauce on this, on the Margherita, which I like. The Sicilian looks like it's really in good shape. And the grandma, which we came out for, looks really good. It came out right out of the oven. So this pizza adventure started with Umberto's in New Hyde Park. Got their grandma, got the Sicilian, and got the Margherita. I think I also got a regular too. And then doing some more research, found out about King Umbertos. Basically, they are the first ones who sold the grandma pizza. Umberto's in New Hyde Park actually created it in a different style. Now, the owner of DaAngelo's, Angelo Giangrande, worked at Umberto's and then King Umbertos, and then opened up his shop over here in 2000. It's pretty cool that a lot of these workers are able to branch out and grow their own businesses. They move a little bit further away where there's no certain foods available, and they show up.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Here is the famed Margherita.
A little crisp it up. It's a little on the floppy side, not as crunchy, not as crispy as I would say Umberto's in Hyde Park. This one definitely has more sauce than both of them. Let's take a look at the undercarriage. It's a little on the softer side. Golden, not burnt, right? That's most importantly. Let's take a taste. Wow. Oh. The pieces of garlic on it. Mixes well with the sauce. The sauce is just simple, clean tomato sauce. The edge is a little crispy, but the middle is a little dough on the doughy side. This tastes really, really good. That was phenomenal. Incredible, incredible. Now I have to compare it to the other two, right? Got one more bite to chew, very easy to eat. And we'll give it, I'm going to say all of these are above 8. I'm going to say this grandma, ooh, definitely come back for this one. 8.9. Super good. By the way, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Please share the video and have your friends subscribe to it as well. Now for the Margherita. This looks really good. The colors are bright, super bright.
Future so bright, I gotta wear shades.
When I walked in to see that glass cabinet, and behind it was this Margherita with super bright sauce, chunky sauce with fresh mozzarella and a little basil on top. So it's all sprinkled all over, chopped up. Let's take a bite. Oh. Can't describe it. It's really something I definitely want to come back for and share with other people, because there's something about this combination. Fresh mozzarella really tastes like it just came from a cow, and it's fresh. The sauce tastes fresh, not over processed. little basil in there just rounds out everything to make pizza what it should be. Oh, I didn't click on the carriage, but it is a little on the softer side. Not too crispy. Oops, that's not. A little on the brown side, not too burnt. I wish it was a little bit more charred. I want to say this. Oh, it's got to be one of my favorites so far. Look at how much sauce is in there. It's interesting how some of these crusts are pretty tight and dense. I would say that DaAngelo's of Albertson are heavier slices than the other two. And heavier slices doesn't necessarily mean it's bad or good. It's just to notice that I probably won't be able to pack this away as much as the others, but the flavor-wise, phenomenal. Now, for the margarita, my favorite. By the way, comment below what your favorite slice is, what your favorite pizzeria is. I'm comparing it to now, this is getting to the upper echelons, the freshness of Lucali and the Fara, the legends of pizza, right? I have to give this a 9.1. It is a Sicilian. Sicilian, compared to the other ones, it's really good. 8.6. Now we have a base with Umbertos in Hyde Park, the creators of the Grandma Pizza. King Umbertos, the first people to sell the Grandma slice and make it commercialized. Part of that King Umbertos was the chef and owner of DaAngelo's, Angelo Giangrande. Which one is your favorite? Umbertos in Hyde Park, King Umbertos, or DaAngelo's? And I'm gonna have to say, DaAngelo's is my favorite out of the 3 legendary pizzas that are coming from Long Island. This is my favorite of all of Long Island that's yet to be determined, as I have a lot more to go. Please come out to Albertson's, check it out. 10 minutes away is Umbertos of New Hyde Park. Another 10 minutes from there, you got King Umbertos. Really close together. If you want to have a little food tour or a pizza tour, definitely check it out. Watch the video from Erica Marcus from Newsday to learn a little bit more about the Grandma's Pizza. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you want to see the King Umbertos review, click the link over here. If you want to see the Umbertos of New Hyde Park, click the video over here. Thank you very much. Have a great day.